Guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to create a new folder in Android. So before starting the video, I want you guys to watch this video until the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So in order to make a new folder in Android, you need to open up the file manager option in your Android phone, and then you need to tap on this all files option. And I basically want to create a new folder in my SD card, so I will just tap on this one. And now in order to make a new folder here, I just need to tap on the three lines at the top right here, and here I will you can see three options. At the top it says create folder. Tap on this one. Now you have to name your folder, so I will just name it like something like day 9 and tap on OK. And now here you can see that I have successfully created a new folder in my Android phone. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find this video useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one, and I will meet you in the next video.